Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Lailatul Qadriyah. You can call me Laila. Okay, I will explain about question word. Let's see my video. Okay, before it, question word is used to ask about specific qualities, time, place, people, and so on. For example, what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. And in Indonesian is 5W 1H. Okay? I will explain about what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Number one is what. What used to ask about thing. For example, what is your name? And others. And number two is when. When is used to ask about time. For example, when did you meet him? And number three is where. Where is used to ask about place. For example, where are you from? And others. And number four is who. Who is used to ask about people. Example, who do you love the most in your family? And others. And number five is whom. Whom is used to ask about people, object, or verb. For example, whom did you see in the morning? And the answer is I say Mr. Lukman, my English teacher. Number six is which is used to ask about choice. For example, which one do you choose? The left or right? And number seven is whose. Whose is used to ask about possession. For example, whose books are these? And number eight is why. Why is used to ask about reason. Example, why are you sad? Why are you happy? And others. And the last question is how. How is used to ask about manner or process. For example, how can you get here? And others. The example for how is how old, how far, how often, how long, how wide, how much, how many, and others. Okay, maybe just it. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.